The lost city was formed by natural erosion, so all these rocks form part of a sandstone cap that topped the plateau that we're currently that the national park's on. And over time, all the sediment eroded away, or the sand went into the sea. But the leftover were these harder sections of rock that break along right angles. And so that's why you've got these squarish structures, like this guy right here. We've just left the lost city and we've come down to Wangi Falls, which is funny because that's Emma's nickname when she was a kid. We're going to probably head straight to the waterfall, go for a swim. There's like a cafe here where you can get some ice creams. There's also a caravan park, but we're keen for a swim because I've just chainsawed a bunch of wood and I'm ready for a swim because I'm full of dust and dirt. So yeah, you'll see it in a minute. Woo! Hazel's doing a nudie ride around the camp. I'm really proud of her right now. She does not care. We're heading to Tjaynera Falls, which is the falls next to the Sandy Creek? That's more like me. Sandy Creek campsite. So here we are. Tjaynera, hopefully I said that properly. It's about a 3.4 kilometer return. Takes 1.5 hours, but the guys there said it's probably half an hour there and back. So we're here. We're going to walk all the way up the waterfall creek to here and then get to the waterfall where we can swim. That's the only place you can swim. All this other area isn't managed for crocs. Anyway, so the kids are up for a big walk. Emma's doing a bit of work at the moment, so she's going to walk down and catch us up. This is what I was talking about with the crocodile stuff. So they've got all these safety signs at all the creeks, so you can see that one is a crocodile management zone. And so yeah, you swim where the yellow is, and we're here, so there's a lot of waterways that they can come in and out of. So yeah, you've got to be really mindful and be really respectful of the salties around here, because they can come up in the wet season, and then during the dry they basically trap them and get them out of the river systems that are popular by tourists. Okay, I'm gonna keep going, and yeah, we'll see you down at the waterfall. Ooh. one of the best games to play when you're walking long little hikes with the kids to waterfalls and things like that is the floor is lava. What are the rules, Oscar? Rocks and roots are the only things you can go on. Roots from trees. Alright. Shall we keep going, kids? Floor is lava. Well, I got to give it to my kids. They did pretty bloody well then. That was 1.7 Ks. Not terrible walking, but not exactly easy either. But in the end, it's all worth it when you get to places like this. My cold. On my way to Florence Falls. Right, we're here. We are going to... yeah. Emma's gone ahead with the kids. I'm in hot pursuit because we've got about 10 minutes at the falls and we have to get back and get Emma to bachelor so she can do some work with some decent reception. And then we're going to go to the Buley holes. I think these swimming holes that are meant to be great, which is right next to where we are now. Oh wow, looks awesome. This is going to be sick. And this is what Florence Falls looks like. Pretty nice. So that was a short but fantastic little swim at Florence Falls. Got a few good jumping shots of a kid off a big rock, and I managed to sit up next to the left waterfall and have some contemplation time, which was quite nice. Now we're 2 minutes of contemplation. Off to bachelor so Emma can get some work done, and then we're going to go to Buley Pools, I think they're called. So yeah, I'll check in with that section. Lower pools. Just a little short walk up for a swim. 500 meters return from the car park. And yeah, looking forward to getting wet. Well, pleasantly surprised. This place is sick. Rocks are slippery, but the pools are awesome. So the stream kind of wants to push you all the way down to the bottom. So it looks like everyone just kind of works their way down all the steps. Like these ladies behind me, which is pretty entertaining. I'm gonna go catch up with the kids. They've just slugged ahead.
Roller coaster ride, hands up in the sky, take you on a ride, love to feel the high, we can start again.
Oscar and I have entered the upper reaches of Buley Pools. You got this little conservation area right there. No one's allowed to enter that. What do you reckon, Oscar? Are we gonna go sliding?
Yes.
Yes!
Incredible one time, gotta let it go tonight, wanna know what it feels like, yeah. We going up, we take it down, let's spice it up, baby, right here and now, hey, nothing could be better, so high up in the clouds, let's make it last forever, can't nothing bring us down,
So Buley Pools was awesome. Definitely recommend it. Great for the kids. Lots of exploring. You could easily spend a couple hours down here, maybe 3. Hot tip: do the falls first, and then head back up to the Buley swimming holes. And yeah, spend the afternoon here, and then make your way home, which is what we're gonna do. See you in the next one.
twin is bringing us closer, superstar, you're like no